Hiring a private, qualified sign language tutor. The third option that you will enroll for BSL Live Zoom class with a qualified sign language tutor. This option is just like taking a course in a physical classroom but a little bit expensive. However, you will have one-to-one tutor support. You will find other classmates in virtual class. That will help you to communicate in sign language and practice more in depth. So, why should you opt for an instructor? Because if you're willing to take the hit of the expense, then an instructor is an excellent option. You have most of the benefits of taking a course in a physical classroom and a one-to-one interaction with the instructor. Taking an instruction class in a classroom would be more expensive than taking a live class in Zoom or Skype. If you don't have the budget, you can go for a live course. There is not much difference between attending a class physically or taking a live Zoom class. If you want to be a BSL interpreter, you must opt for a live class or attend a physical class. Leading awarding bodies like Signature, who offer BSL qualification certificates that Ofqual recognized, require you to attend a live or a physical classroom to learn BSL. It's for a good reason. By the time you get to the higher levels like Level 3 BSL that can get you a job like communication support worker, you're getting into a serious professional level. At this level, your BSL proficiency and vocabulary matters a lot. Take, for example, interpreters. They need to pass the Level 6 BSL qualification because they work in critical fields like health and news, where even the slightest miscommunication can have massive ramifications. So, if you're looking to get a job like an interpreter or a sign language teacher, you should look up the official qualifications that your job requires and how to earn it. Lead Academy can help you with that too. We offer multiple BSL courses, from Level 1 all the way to Level 6, which is recognized by Signature. All you need to do is get to Lead Academy's website, click on the live chat button and contact our customer support. Tell them why you're contacting them, and they'll swiftly answer your query and arrange a suitable course for you. Our customer support is live during regular office hours in the UK from Monday to Friday 9 a.m.-5 p.m. You can also reach us by email at info@leadacademy.org anytime, and you'll get an answer as quickly as possible.